Guys, so I'm back with another product review, and this time is from X-Pest.
X-Pest for unwanted guests. X-Pest for quality that's the best. X-Pest to keep away all your pests.
I'm really excited to get into this one because this is a solar animal repeller, and it comes with 2 of these. And we're going to set this up on the fence by our garden to use it for keeping rodents out of our garden. Just the other night, there was actually a raccoon inside of our garden. So we're really excited to get this to work. Now, this is really cool because it is a humane way to keep animals out of your garden without having to set traps or deal with the messy aftermath of traps or what to do with the animal after you catch it. So this is really exciting. And we also have another X-Pest product that keeps away rodents like mice and insects, and we're going to set that up under Mom's shed over there, and we're going to do that later in this video. But first, we're going to start with this one. And if you're interested in winning one of these, then you can check out the Survival Seeds 2024 collaboration. And you can become a collaborator by getting the seeds and making videos to get a chance to win one of these, or you can comment on the videos in the Survival Seeds 2024 collaboration playlist, and that'll also give you a chance to win these. Or you can show up in the live streams and comment on the videos for a chance to win this. And I think these are really great products, and I can't wait to get into them right after this.
Hi, I'm Trey, and we have live music every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you like our music, you can also check out our music channel, which is Vineyard Chicks instead of Vineyard Chicks Homestead, and I would love to see you there.
So this product is solar, so it doesn't need or require batteries or anything like that. It will charge itself, which is super duper helpful because it's hard with our garden being all the way over here to get power to it. So solar is always very, very, very helpful. So, and I like how it has these little eyes on it.
X-Pest for unwanted guests.
Now, I am really excited about these, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how they work. And we're going to set them up at each gate in our garden. So this one's going to go in here, or maybe it's this one. And this one's going to go on the other gate on the other side of the garden. It doesn't really matter which one. One in my pocket. I'm going to show you how this one works. So they're solar charged, so they spend all day charging, and kind of like lights that you set up by your porch, they only work at night when it's dark out. So right now, they're not flashing at all. They're not doing anything. But say it were dark, then they flash red. And the science behind this is fascinating. So studies have proven, I'm poking its eyes, I feel kind of weird about it. Studies have proven that animals are afraid of fire, and that's kind of a common knowledge thing because people are scared of fire too sometimes. So this attempts to replicate the same kind of light that is produced by fire, a bright red light, and you're supposed to hang it at about eye level with the animals you're trying to keep away, and it'll scare them off, and then they won't want to come over by it. So we're gonna hang it. Our biggest problem is like rabbits, raccoons, ground squirrels, that kind of thing. So we're gonna hang it pretty low. And this is exciting because I'm gonna bring you guys back out during the nighttime to show how the lights actually look when it's dark out.
X-Pest for unwanted guests. X-Pest for quality that's the best. X-Pest to keep away all your pests.
From X-Pest, we also got this, which is an ultrasonic mouse repeller. And this is really cool because it emits really high frequency noises that most humans can't hear and animals can hear very loudly. So you can't keep this near a dog or an inside pet because it will disturb them. We were going to use it for our future outdoor kitchen where we were going to keep our canning stuff, but it has to be plugged in and we don't have electricity there yet, so we're going to keep it in the garage for now, which is also a place we definitely don't want rats or mice or any other rodents. And this is very humane, just like the other one. So you turn it on, and it has 3 different modes. There's this one, which is called Trans, and I believe this one works for mice and rodents. Then there's Ultra. I believe this one is a little, oh wait, this is Test. I believe this one's a little bit better for insects. And then there's Duo, which does both of them at the same time. And then to make sure that it's working, there's also Test mode, which humans can hear. And this lets you know that it's working. Now, I would not keep this inside because certain settings, even other than Trans mode, or even other than Test mode, I can actually hear faintly. And KK can definitely hear it, and because she has a lot better ears than I do. So I would not keep it inside, but this is a really, really great product. It gets rid of the entire risk of having to get mice or rats in your garage or in your shed, and then having to deal with these rodents that are getting into your shoes and getting into all of your stuff and getting into your tools, your fertilizer, your dirt, ripping apart all your tarps. Very annoying. This gets rid of that risk, and it is a really cool device that I highly recommend, just like the other one.
X-Pest for unwanted guests. X-Pest for quality that's the best. X-Pest to keep away